Modern Chevrolet vehicles are packed with advanced technology, smart safety systems, and hidden features that many drivers already own but never fully use. In this video, we'll walk step by step through the most useful Chevrolet functions, explaining what they do, when to use them, and exactly how to activate them, so you can drive safer, smarter, and with more confidence. Backhand index pointing right before we begin, take a second to subscribe to the channel. It's completely free for you, but it helps us a lot and allows us to keep creating clear, practical guides like this one. Now let's unlock what your Chevrolet can really do. Many Chevrolet owners only use their key fob to lock and unlock the car, but it does much more. Most models allow remote window control. By pressing and holding the unlock button, all windows can lower at once. This is extremely useful on hot days to release heat before entering the vehicle. On some models, holding the lock button closes the windows. This feature may need to be activated inside the vehicle settings menu. Another hidden function is remote engine start. Press the lock button once, then hold the remote start button. The engine starts, and the climate system automatically adjusts to outside temperature, cooling in summer and warming in winter. Chevrolet's automatic climate control does more than maintain temperature. Once set to auto, the system adjusts fan speed, airflow direction, and compressor use automatically. Many drivers manually change these settings, reducing efficiency. For best results, set your desired temperature, press auto, leave the system alone. In winter, Chevrolet vehicles may activate heated seats and steering wheel automatically if enabled in settings. In summer, seat ventilation may start on its own if available. Chevrolet infotainment systems hide several useful shortcuts. You can customize the home screen by holding any app icon and rearranging it. Place navigation, phone, or camera access on the first screen to reduce distractions. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto also support voice activation shortcuts. Holding the steering wheel voice button allows you to send messages, start navigation, control music without taking your hands off the wheel. Many Chevrolet models include selectable driving modes such as Tour, Sport, Snow/Ice, Tow/Haul. Each mode changes throttle response, steering weight, transmission behavior, and traction control. Snow/Ice mode is useful not only in snow, but also in heavy rain or slippery roads. Sport mode sharpens acceleration and steering for highway driving or mountain roads. Tow/Haul mode improves braking and transmission cooling when carrying heavy loads. Knowing when to use each mode improves safety and vehicle longevity. Chevrolet vehicles often include advanced driver assistance systems that are turned off by default. Lane Keep Assist provides gentle steering correction, not full control. It helps prevent drifting when tired or distracted. Forward Collision Alert warns you visually and audibly before potential impact. You can adjust its sensitivity in the settings menu. Automatic emergency braking works at low and medium speeds and can significantly reduce accident severity. These systems should be reviewed and customized for your driving style instead of disabled. Blind spot monitoring lights up icons in your side mirrors when another vehicle is detected. Rear cross traffic alert is extremely useful in parking lots. When reversing, it warns you of vehicles approaching from the sides, something mirrors often miss. If alerts feel too frequent, adjust their sensitivity instead of turning them off completely. Chevrolet's automatic headlights adapt more than many drivers realize. Auto high beams turn high beams on and off automatically based on traffic and lighting conditions. Cornering lights activate when turning at low speeds, illuminating the direction of travel, especially helpful in dark urban areas. Some models also include rain-sensing wipers, which adjust speed automatically, depending on rainfall intensity. The tire pressure warning light doesn't just mean low pressure. Chevrolet vehicles allow you to relearn tire sensors after rotation or replacement using the infotainment system. This ensures accurate readings for each wheel. Driving with correct tire pressure improves fuel economy, braking performance, and tire lifespan. Chevrolet includes several efficiency tools that many drivers overlook. Auto Start-Stop reduces fuel use in traffic. While some drivers disable it, it can be very effective in city driving. The Eco Driving display shows real-time fuel usage and driving efficiency tips. Smooth acceleration and steady speed dramatically reduce consumption. Some Chevrolet models allow you to Open the trunk by holding a button on the key fob, lower rear seats remotely from the trunk, activate vehicle locator lights, and horn in parking lots. There's also a built-in emergency brake hold feature that keeps the vehicle stopped without holding the brake pedal, perfect for traffic or hills. Here are a few bonus tricks many Chevrolet drivers don't know. You can lock the car while it's running using the physical key inside the fob. The rear camera often stays active briefly after shifting from reverse. Some models store multiple driver profiles with seat, mirror, and climate preferences. The vehicle can remind you if something is left in the back seat after parking. Chevrolet vehicles are designed to be smart, adaptive, and intuitive, but only if you take the time to explore their features. By understanding when and how to use these systems, you improve comfort, safety, and driving confidence without installing anything new or spending extra money. Backhand index pointing right if you found this guide useful. Subscribe to the channel and stay until the end of every video, because we always include bonus features that even dealerships rarely explain. See you in the next episode of Hidden Car Tech Automobile Wrench.